Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to listen to and identify intonation patterns rising and falling in sentences. Use appropriate expressions in conversations to express opinions. Predict the content or vocabulary of a text from pictures and title, etc., by using prior knowledge. Apply punctuation rules to assist in developing accuracy and fluency through reading aloud. Use alphabetical order to locate words in a dictionary for increase in vocabulary and aid in comprehension of texts. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to express regret, likes and dislikes, needs and feelings, and opinions. Identify an opinion in the text as indicated through these words: think, feel, believe, etc. Recognize and use the structure of future simple tense for expressing actions in future. Recognize alphabetical arrangement of words in a glossary or a dictionary. Use the reading texts as models for their own writing. Use punctuation according to the rules learnt earlier. Identify the elements of a story: plot, beginning, middle, and end of a story with conflict and resolution. Human, animal, imaginary characters and their roles. And write a guided paragraph using ideas gathered and organized through various strategies. Recognize that a simple paragraph comprises a group of sentences that develop a single main idea.